योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं प्रणतोऽस्मि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
Continue on your own. तो आज हम बॉडी टैपिंग से शुरू करेंगे, देन विल वर्क ऑन आवर अपर बॉडी. कंटिन्यू टू वॉक. And relax. You can start your body pump like this. शरीर को थोड़ा ढीला छोड़ना है और just move. So this will help you to kind of start the lymphatic drain, and let's start from the stomach region, the main center for our lymph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Continue. 30. 40. Start from the hips today. Zor se. Go all the way down. You can do this sitting also. Come on, hit it. One leg. दोनों हाथ से एक पैर को टारगेट करो पहले. Back side of your leg. Come on. Stronger hit. जोर से hit करना है. Bigger muscles. You have to do a little stronger. And all the way down. Calf muscles. And front of your foot. Come up. Shin area. Thighs. Front of your thighs, quad region. Other leg, back side. All the way down. Come on, keep going down. Calf muscles. And the front Keep going up all the way. One more time. The other leg, back side. You should feel the hit under your skin. Skin के नीचे थोड़ा tingling sensation होना चाहिए. जैसे चींटियां चल रही हो. Front of the foot, shin area, all the way to quads region, front of the thigh. And again, the other leg, all the way down. Front, come up. And relax. And we'll do the upper body. Come on. Stomach again. Side of the abdominal region. दोनों हाथ से एक साइड चले जाओ. दोनों हाथ से दूसरे साइड चले जाओ. Chest region. Collarbone के नीचे. On the lungs. And the other side. You can feel the upper lungs getting active because of this. सांसों में थोड़ा फील होता है. The other side again. And the other side again. Armpits. Make a cup of your hand a little stronger. Other side. And go back again to the other side. Elbow region, a little extra. Cup of the hand on the elbow. The other side. अच्छे से जोर से करना है. And rub your wrist like this. Rub your wrist like this. You can do it like this. And the other side. Come on, rub, rub, rub. And clap. Both hands together like this. Come on. And relax. For now, let's focus on mobility of our, like the strengthening and the mobility of our upper body. So continue to walk again. Very simple body tapping, very good for warm up, very good for blood circulation, very good for lymphatic drain. Lymphatic drain is the collector of toxins from your body. Okay? तो बहुत ही बढ़िया एक्टिविटी है. आप खुद से भी कर सकते हो जब भी आपका मन करे. You can do it yourself. Don't try on others. That's not what you should be doing. Okay, relax. The first thing we do is shoulders up, shrug them, bring them down. Now when you push your shoulders down, I really want you to focus, push them down and back. Shrug your shoulders up, roll your shoulders back and down. 1, down. 2, you're not pushing your chest forward, you're just pushing the shoulders back and down. Up, back. Shrug your shoulders, go back. And 5, 6, 7, 8. कंट्रोल द मूवमेंट. कंधों को पीछे और नीचे पुश करना है. And 10. Relax. Okay. Quickly type S for shoulder if you understand what it means to shrug and go back. Let me just show you a different angle. Okay. तो ध्यान से देखो एक बार करना क्या है. ये मूवमेंट आपके पोस्चर करेक्शन के लिए बहुत जरूरी है. आपको कंधों को ऊपर ले जाना है और फिर नीचे ले जाना है. बट अभी आप पोजीशन देखो और जो मैं बोल रहा हूं उसमें क्या करना है. Up, back. You see the difference? If I do normal up and down, my shoulders will be here. But if I do up and back, it's here. I'm not pushing my chest forward. That's not what I want. I want up and back. Up and back. Okay? This movement is very important. Chalo, continue. We'll do it one more time. Up and back. Up and back. 1. Up and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now what we do is just roll one shoulder back and the other back. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Now hands, go forward, arch your back, hands like an ulta namaste, and then go back, chest forward, hands back. 1, go back. 2, go back. 3, shoulders forward and shoulders back and down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. शोल्डर्स को पीछे और नीचे पुश करना है हर बार. 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. You should be feeling it in your upper back. ये सारी चीजें आपको upper back या upper muscle back के muscles में feel होनी चाहिए. Hands forward, palms facing each other, and you move your hands up and down like this. And you go out while you're moving your hands, all the way out, and then go forward. Keep moving. 1. Keep your core pulled in. इसमें बाकी शरीर का मूवमेंट कम से कम चाहिए. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, continue 5 more. Give up नहीं करना है बीच में. सिंपल है, थोड़ा सा दर्द हो सकता है, ज्यादा मुस्कुराएंगे. 6. I know you would want to quit here, but stay with us. Stay with us. Come on. 7. It's okay. It's a very temporary pain, even if it's there in the shoulders. 2 more. Come on, continue. 2 more. Almost there. Stay there, stay there, stay there. And one last time. And relax. Similar movement, but up and down, like this. Palms facing down, go up and down. Keep crossing. 10 more. 10, 9. Come on, go out. And come back wapas. 8. Up and down, up and down, up and down. 7. थोड़ा सा दर्द होगा बट फिर भी कंटिन्यू करेंगे. 6. बहुत ही दुख रहा हो तो कर सकते हैं, बीच में ब्रेक ले लो. 5. Actually, it's tough. 4. Almost there. Come on. See if you can still continue 4 more. 3. Ooh. 2. You can exactly feel that one muscle which our hands are using. And one last time. Come on, go out and come back and relax. Continue to walk. Let's take a recovery break for 30 seconds. And again, just cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's not like of course, this is a good movement, but what we are doing is intentionally crossing till the end range. And then cross. And then cross. 1. ताकत लगानी है थोड़ी सी. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let go. Now, if you feel after this, anytime 20 becomes too much for you, do only 10. No problem. Similar movement, but this time we go back and we cross. You have to go end range. मतलब इसके आगे और क्रॉस जाएगा नहीं, तब आपके ये मसल्स एक्टिवेट होंगे. तो अच्छे से करना है, ठीक है? Go back and cross. 1, 4, back, 5, back, 6, back, 7, back, 8, back, 9, back, 10, back, 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, 5, back, 6. Be mindful about the movement. Intentionally आपको muscles को activate करना है. Last 2 and last 1. Relax. पहले वाले जब हमने exercise किए, movement, it comes here. This one, it comes here. So we are targeting different areas and zones. Okay? Now what we do is keep our hands like this. सामने रखो हाथ. दोनों हाथों को ऐसे रखो. Now you go out, in. You have to make a tight fist. So जैसे आप मान लीजिए body दिखा रहे हो, but the direction is different. Okay, ready? Go out and pull it in. ताकत लगानी है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ताकत लगानी है, ताकत लगानी है. You have to make a fist and then pull close. Pull. 9, 10. Relax. Now we are working on the bicep region. तो एक एक करके सारे muscles हम activate करेंगे. This is what we do in our week 1. Different movements that help us to strengthen our muscles, tone our muscles. Now, same movement but hands up. And we alternate. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to shift your focus. जब आप ये हाथ के साथ ऐसे कर रहे हो तो यहाँ focus आएगा. जब आप ये हाथ के साथ pull कर रहे हो तो यहाँ focus आएगा. Let's start from 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Now we focus on our triceps. कैसे करेंगे? पीछे चले जाओ. Elbows back as much as possible. Bend forward if you can. If you have back pain, you can be straight. And then push your hands behind as much as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. So we have worked on all the muscles of our arms. Let's work on our back a little bit. So stretch your hands out. Imagine you're pulling something behind. Okay, we are going to work on our middle region of the back. Latissimus muscles बोलते हैं, उन पे काम करना है. तो हाथ बाहर की तरफ. Pull your elbows back and down. Now shoulders are again back and down. You're not flaring the chest up. छाती को जबरदस्ती बाहर नहीं निकालना. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you are able to hold, nothing like it. If you're not able to hold, just keeping it on the back also helps. And here we will switch. First, take your hands out and then switch. Take your hands out and switch. 10 times. 1, 2. Don't look down. सामने देखना है. गर्दन बिल्कुल नीचे नहीं जाएगी. 4, 5. Look forward. 6, 7. Neck should be straight and neutral. 9, 10. 10, 9. गर्दन सामने. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Switch. Switch. जो पैर ऊपर था उसको नीचे कर लो. जो पैर नीचे है उसको ऊपर ले आओ. And we'll do it 10 times more. Come on. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. अब बाकी चीजें lying down on the stomach, a little bit more for our back. Take your head up, go forward and down, rotate. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse the direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And slowly come up. Lie down on your stomach. पेट के बल लेट जाओ. Straight up, hands under your shoulders. हाथों को कंधों के नीचे रखो. Lift all the way up for upward dog. पूरा शरीर ऊपर उठा लो. And if you have that strength, transition to downward facing dog. Adho Mokshanasana. Push back. Do this movement 10 times. Breathe in,